Hello, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good evening. I can hear you.
Great, great. How are you?
I am fine. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm doing great, thank you. So, how was your day today?
It was good day and not very well. It was good. I think
Okay, why won't you say very well? Like, was it just another normal day or something unusual happened?
no, it was good. I think we can say it was good. Not very well.
Oh, yeah. Right. So you're a student, right? Or you work?
Yes, I am a student. I am pursuing BA second year, and as well as I am a private employee.
Wow, that's nice. So, how is it managing both of them?
Yeah, actually, I am regularly. I am an employee. I am working in private company, and I went to the college for giving exam only. Actually,
Okay.
I
Yeah,
don't
long
have,
distance. Yeah, a distant education. Yeah.
yeah, I don't have more time to, yes, I
Hmm.
don't have time to go college every day. So that's why I go to the take exam in
Yeah,
college.
yeah, yeah. Right. So,
That's why.
right now
And
you're in
what
your
about you? Can you, tell me? No. I am from Uttar Pradesh, but currently I live in Damandeep. You know Damandeep.
Hmm.
I live in Silvassa in
Oh,
Damandeep.
that's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. So your job is like a full-time job?
And what about you? I know.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Yes, I am working full
Like
time.
proper. That's great. That's great. So yeah, about me, I am basically from Kerala, but I live in Patna,
Kerala.
and yeah, I'm living in Patna. I was born and brought up here, and I'm also studying right now. I'm doing my graduation from Delhi University. So I should have been in Delhi right now, but due to
Okay.
the pandemic, it's online, so I'm stuck at home, you can say. So yeah,
I think you are also taking class you from your college by online.
yeah. So it's all online, which is why I had more time. So I was looking for internships and all, and that is how I found Clappingo and I got in here. So like this is a part time for me,
Yeah.
but mostly
I
it's
notice I notice most ofly this thing. So many teachers from Kerala.
okay.
So many teachers in Klapengo from
Maybe.
Kerala. I
Okay.
have talked like this is my 15th session. I have
Uh-huh.
talked with 15 people, but maybe approx 5 and 6 people from Kerala. And you are also
That's
from
nice.
Kerala.
That's nice. Yeah. So actually, there is no medium where the speakers are connected in any way. We don't really know each other. So I don't know. I'm not aware of who are the other speakers. So like that's a new information for me. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
nice. Yeah. But also, I get a lot of
Okay, so
speakers.
yeah,
I get a lot of
what's
learners
your
also
mother
joining
tongue?
the
Actually,
same.
you are, yeah, I know. You are from Kerala. Okay, so what's your mother tongue? Actually, you are very well in English. You can teach. Actually, you are a student. And you are able to teach with someone. That's why you are here and you are teaching me. So,
Right.
what is the reason behind it? What's your
Okay,
mother
so
tongue?
my mother tongue I would say is Malayalam because what exactly does a mother tongue mean?
Malayalam.
Like yeah, Malayalam exactly. So like I'm saying, the language that my mother speaks somewhere that is the literal meaning, right? Mother tongue. So she is
Okay.
like originally from Kerala, so we do go there once a year and all. So yes, I would say Malayalam is
Okay.
my mother tongue, but I just know how to speak. I don't really know how to read and write in Malayalam. That is there, but apart
Okay.
from that, Hindi, of course, since I'm in Patna, so I speak Hindi well. And
And
in
you
the
can speak Bhojpuri also?
I can understand, but I don't really have that, cloud or something where I,
Because you live in Bihar. You live in
yeah,
Bihar. You should speak Bhoj-
yeah. But here we mostly have Hindi. Like Bhojpuri is more in the village areas, right? So Patna is like the capital, so it's more like a city. So, where do
Okay.
you learn that from at the end of the day? It is from your friends and the circle you are around, right? So I don't really have such.
Okay. So you usually talk in English in your family members.
With my family, I talk in all three languages, whichever comes first. So it's all mixed. We all speak all three languages.
Malayalam
So it's
also.
like, yeah, Malayalam also, obviously. So, so yeah, we do that. So basically, I have
Okay.
passed out from a convent school. So there, it was very strict for us to, speak in English and all. So that kind of, shaped me to be confident enough
Okay.
in my spoken English. So I
It was
was.
I I think it was English medium.
Yes, it was an English medium school. But not all English medium school children, speak fluent English. It also depends on how strict they are with,
Yeah, you're right.
with their students are speaking in English or not and all of that.
I can understand. I can understand. I am from totally Hindi medium. You know, where I was studying in
Yeah,
schools, then there are lots of people, but they couldn't speak in any few words in English. Okay, they was teaching me only Hindi. So that's why I am very weak in
they
English
were
nowadays.
teaching me. Okay, they were teaching me
Yeah,
Hindi.
they were teaching me in
Right,
Hindi.
right. Hmm. So why did you, why have you joined Clapping Go? Why are you here?
Actually, I want to improve myself nowadays. I am working in private company. I am facing lots of problem nowadays without
Mhm.
any skills. I don't have skills, so we have to face lots of problem now. If we have any skill, then uh, I can take advantage from this skill, and I can promote myself. Okay,
Right, right.
so that's
So,
why I am learning English, and I hope
right.
I will be able to speak after some time.
Yeah. So, for anything, communication is the key. So, you are here
Yeah.
to improve, work on that, right?
Before, we have to build our confidence. Confidence is the most important thing. My first conversation, it was first conversation with one teacher. She was from Kerala, but
Okay.
I was feeling very nervous. But I tried,
Mm-hmm.
and now I can able to express myself, and I can understand also, and I can little bit speak.
That's great. That's great. In fact, till now that you've spoken, and like the way told me about yourself, like your condition of, your spoken English, I feel like you've really improved, and congratulations on that. So, but
Thanks a lot.
from within, do you feel like you have improved, or there's a difference in your spoken English compared to your first session and this one?
Yeah. No, I am
So, clapping
working.
is helping you.
Yeah. It is helping me, and I am also hardworking to improving to improve.
Yes, that is
Yeah,
important. Like, it has to be a give and take thing. So until unless you don't have that passion from within, it won't really be that helpful. But yeah.
yes. I know so many things about grammars. I know each and everything, but whenever I try to speak in front of someone, and I suddenly forget that word, and I can't talk regularly in English. This is the
Yeah.
weakly point in me.
Exactly.
Yes.
Right.
Due to
So
conversation, I
practice
forget.
but that
Yeah.
is, that is very common even right now, although I'm the tutor. But when I
Yeah.
have to face interviews, Like, then there are always
Yeah,
times
yeah.
when I get nervous and I don't find the right words and all of that. So somewhere, obviously, if you are confident with your language, that is a really good point. But people with good
Yeah.
language also face issues, so don't worry, you're not alone. So that's okay.
I can understand. Yeah.
Yeah. So
It's
that
happened before, before doing any new work, we have to feel little bit nervous.
yes, that is
After that,
given.
if
Yeah.
we will do that work regularly, then it will be regular
Yes.
and we
Like,
can do this work as casual.
yeah, even when I started taking sessions, like for the very first time, I was so nervous. But the point is, I cannot even show that I'm nervous because I am the teacher here, right?
Yeah.
So it was a lot of
Yeah,
pressure.
yeah, yeah. That is the point.
But with 2-3 sessions, then I got comfortable, and now like it is helping you somewhere. Clappingo has helped me also a lot because I talk to strangers every day,
Okay.
and yeah, I don't
You
think
have
I've
learned from Clampingo also?
yes, obviously. See, it's always a give and take thing. Even if it's a normal
Oh, okay.
classroom thing, it's even teachers learn from students. Maybe
Okay.
they talked about a perspective they had never thought about. So that's new information for them,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that really adds up, right? Anything you do, you learn. Even if you're not talking to anybody, you're just exploring
Yeah,
a
yeah.
page, you learn new things. So it's always a open thing. It's not like only you are benefiting. It's like everybody does when it is related to a situation.
And as well, you are teacher now, and you have to also read little bit, I think, about some of the new topics, and you have to read it. I think
Yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
used to learn little bit from somewhere.
No, so like these
Yeah, I
topics
can
and all.
understand.
Yeah. So it's like I have never maybe thought about these topics. Like some of the questions sometimes when I ask, and then this learner asks me back, what do you think? What would have you done? Then I think like, okay, what would have I done? So that kind of helps me also get into my imagination. That happens.
Okay.
Anyways, so should we begin with today's topic?
Actually, we don't have enough time to.
That's okay.
If
Maybe
we
just one
are
or two questions.
talking
It's
about
dreams. Dreams.
dreams, yeah,
Not a
yeah,
very
I know
interesting
today's
topic.
topic. Yes, it is not interesting topic. I don't
Okay.
like
Okay.
actually.
Just
We saw lots of dream and sleep when we sleep, but we didn't recognize after sleep.
we
After wake
don't
up, we have to
remember.
forget.
We don't recall our dreams after we wake up. Okay, we will say that way.
Yes,
We don't
oh,
remember our dreams after we wake up. You know what?
we
Just need to
don't
repeat
remember our dreams after wake up.
after we wake up. Yeah, or after waking up. Yeah. Okay. Right. So yeah, because
Okay,
most of the dreams are like questions were also like that, which is the funniest dream you have seen, which was the most weird dream, and all of that. But if you don't remember it, no point in asking about that. So that is there. Okay. So tell me something
yeah,
more about your work. Like what is the best part about your work, if you have to
I'm
tell me?
working work. This is my first work and like goals and working. Actually, I am working. This is my work also. This is my most work. Whenever I got job in this company, it was
Hmm.
very, like we can say, get achievement anything.
Yes.
It is
How long
also.
have you been working here?
I've been working here 4.5 years ago.
5 years.
4.5 years, not long.
Wow. No. That is really long. Okay. So what are you studying right now? Like, is it PG or graduation or what? What are you studying? MBA.
Yes, I am graduation. I am pursuing graduation.
Okay.
I
So that's
left after 12. After 12. whenever my family's condition is very bad, so that's I have to left my study.
I had
After
to
that, I
leave.
joined this company.
I had
Yeah,
to leave, yeah, my studies. Right, right, right. Okay, but that's really nice. Yeah, earning and studying at the same time. So
but I am
that's nice.
managing now. I am
Yeah.
managing. I have to
See,
face lots of problems. I can understand only me, not another.
yes, that's there, and somewhere you even missed out on your college life and all of that. But why? At the end of the day, why do people study? They study to get into a job which you already gotten into. And I don't understand the point of studying that. But okay, studying right now will get you promotions and stuff.
I
So that is also there. But
and you are saying me after getting job I am learning. Am I right?
yeah, yeah. I mean, that's see, even with me, like right now, like I said, I was looking for internships. So this side, I can say that, I have a lot of courses which I can join, whether it be graphic designing or advertising. And there are a lot of, courses where I need to pay and then learn. And at the same time, this
Okay.
side, I have these internships where I can work for them and learn through that and get money here. So
Yeah.
especially in this online thing, I somewhere felt like doing an internship is more helpful than doing the course, because there I have this motivation that at the end I will get the money, so that keeps me going. At the same time, once I've paid here, then I don't really have any such goal. So after a point, you lose interest, you lose motivation, and then you're not able to continue and focus as much as you wanted to. So somewhere I feel like working, and with that experience learning, it is way more better than actually going and studying.
Actually, no, we should think about our future. We should think about our future all time. No, we
But
have job
that
and
doesn't mean you should not live in the present, because some people are so frustrated about their future that they don't live the present. So they miss out on that. So that is
yes.
also there.
No, present. We are working in present, and we should think about future. What will happen in our future? We will live comfortable in our future and not. We should think a little bit, not more. It's not like that. We will think lots of in our future, and we are in depressions. We are in depressions because we are thinking a lot in future. Not like that. We have to think. We should think little bit and keep in our mind we we will have to do something in our future.